Hello, welcome to my channel. In this last few weeks, we've been getting very cold weather in Joburg. Today I decided it's a nice day to make some nice lentil soup. This lentil that I washed out, which is 2 cups. Normally we call it biryani dhal or masoor dhal. The rest of my ingredients are I have 2 onions finely chopped, 2 celery sticks finely chopped, 2 carrots cut small, and 3 cloves of large garlic that are also sliced, 1 tomatoes cut finely. I have a tablespoon of my mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, but we will taste before we're done. Then I'm going to use a grind of black pepper. And for the soup, I'm using vegetable stock powder, which I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of stock powder to 2 liters of water. For the garnish, I'm going to use the juice of 1 lemon, and I have some fresh dhania and some fresh spring onions to garnish. Here I have olive oil, which I'm going to use just a 1/4 cup. And today, as you all know, we are still experimenting with our pressure cooker. So today we are going to use our pressure cooker to cook. We are using our saute function on the pressure cooker, and now it has just got heated up. So I'm going to add in my oil. Now I'm going to add in my onions. I'll allow those onions to get very brown. The onions are gone brown, been about 6 minutes. So then I'm going to put in my garlic. I'll allow the garlic to fry for a minute. Now I'll put in my carrots and my celery. I'll allow this to fry for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes has passed. So I'm just going to add in my mixed herbs. And my mixed masala. I'm adding in my tomatoes. Together with my salt. I'll give it a good stir and allow this for another 3 to 4 minutes. 5 minutes has passed, and I want to put in a generous grind of pepper. Give this a mix. Now I'm going to add in my lentil. And I'll give this a good mix. To my lentil, I'm going to add in my stock, which was 2 tablespoons of stock, vegetable stock, to 2 liters of water. Now I'm adding in my 2nd liter of water. So I'll just stir this, and thereafter we're going to change the setting to beans, and we'll allow it to cook for 20 to 25 minutes, but we'll check. For now we will seal up the lid after changing the setting. We change the setting to beans for 25 minutes, and we sealed our lid, and we make sure that the valve is also sealed. So now we are going to leave this to boil for 25 minutes, and then we're going to check to see how well our soup is done. The time has finished for cooking. We allow this to cool for about 20 minutes, and then we vented out the steam, and now we are going to open the lid to see how our soup is done. Okay, the soup is done very well, but it's a little thick. See, so I need to loosen this maybe with 2 cups of water, and I'll also allow Pranesh to taste the salt, then we can adjust the salt. I have 2 cups of boiled water, which I'm going to add into the soup. Okay, now it looks very nice now. And then I'm going to adjust the salt, which was less. I'm adding another half a teaspoon of fine salt and give it a good stir. To this, I'm going to cut my lemon and add in the juice, and then garnish with my dhania and spring onions. Okay, I'll mix this up. And then my dhania and my spring onions. Now I'm ready to serve. There you go, your lovely lentil soup, of which I put a splash of olive oil and accompanied with lovely toasted butter bread. This was made in my pressure cooker, which made it very simple, and it's looking very delicious. You can also add a little bit cream on top or a block of butter before eating. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.